A Kariba or Kariba suit is a two-piece suit for men created by Jamaican designer Ivy Ralph, mother of Sheryl Lee Ralph, in the early 1970s, to be worn on business and formal occasions as a Caribbean replacement for the European-style suit and a visual symbol of decolonization. The suit was popularized by Michael Manley, the leader of the People's National Party. The style of the jacket is considered a formalized version of a safari jacket or bush shirt common in Africa, worn without a shirt and tie, making it more comfortable clothing for a tropical climate. After PNP came to power in Jamaica in 1972, the parliament passed a law recognizing that the Kariba suit was appropriate for official functions, and Manley, by now Prime Minister, wore a fancy black one when he met Queen Elizabeth II. Members of Manley's political party, PNP, became recognizable by their adoption of the Kariba suit rather than a Western suit and tie favored the opposition party JLP. The Kariba suit was a symbol of cultural decolonization. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.